apply the no wipe top coat, and you're gonna keep it for 10 seconds with this one only. So excited because I am going to do 2 of them at the same time, chrome. So all right, so here for 10 seconds. Let's do another one and also apply no white top coat, 10 seconds only, okay? I can do it in the background, but I want to make sure that I can show you. So that's why I'll do it again. Okay, this one, 10 seconds too, please. All right. Doesn't matter, whatever we're using. I'm using a green. There you go. Let's just rub it in.
Debbie asked Nancy, the white fusion ink, can you order that one separately?
Yeah, you can order that one separate. I think the white fusion ink, yes. Yes, Debbie. All right, I'm gonna put this one on the side and then I'm gonna work on the other one. Yes, definitely you can order that on separate. Did you see that it have option to separate? If you don't, let me know. I think this one is luxury violet. So pigmented.
Yep, that one real nice.
Today I have a little help from Isabella again. Great. Looks awesome. So I'm gonna put both of them on the side. It looks so much better in person instead of under the camera. I don't know if it looks like it's so dark. Do you see it's so dark though?
No, it's not bright enough.
It's not,
It's
yeah.
plenty bright.
It's not really.
And it's not.
And I'm gonna just dust the extra chromes off. Maybe because my hands, I guess. So now we're gonna create the really fun look for the zebra, like a neons. But then before that, I am going to top coat both of these nails, and so then that way when I draw using the gel painting and I apply pigment, so it would not stick on the base of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and top coat both of this using a no wipe top coat and cure for 60 seconds. It's bright on this, but it's so dark on the camera. 60 seconds, everyone.
60?
Hi, Foxy. Hey, Dejo, just want to say hello to everyone if I miss any of you, because I'm looked down. I didn't get a chance to look all the way to the phone. 60 seconds for this one also. Hi, Juliana. Hi, Olivia. I'll touch this light. Mamita, hello. Let me see who's I am missing. Hi, Angela. In the meantime, that's the look we're gonna do. And later we're gonna do a chamfer foil, same with animal prints. I really love this, just in case that you want to do the chamfer foil with. Hi April, hi Sarah's. Dash Digits, all my all-time favorites chromes. I know. Hi Whitney. Hey Monkey. Hey Maya. Hi Lupita. Hey Sarisa. How are you? Hi Annette. Just want to say hello to everyone before we move in. Hey Bonnie. Hey Mike and Penny. Alright, so just want to make sure to say hello. Thanks so much for tuning in today, everyone. Just want to make sure I wave all of you back. Alright, so both of the nails are already done coating with the no wipe top coat. So it doesn't matter, you can pick any of this. So I want to do both of this and then we're going to clear them at the same time. If you don't have this Precision gel painting brush, well, gel painting with Precision brush, I don't know, it's like somehow I get it all. And then it come in the black and white, so I can't wait. So we can do layers with the black, and then but this is gonna be cool for painting. If you don't have this, you can using with just pure white in the pot, and then using a twin tip brush.
Jersey Girl 69 says she is new here.
Oh, hi. Thank you so much for tuning in. So if you don't have this, you can also use alternative with this. This is a little bit thicker density, and you just need basically using with your twin tip brush, which is you already have. So you can use a twin tip brush and work on it. It's work as well. Right here. But this time we are going to use this because it had the Precision brush. It's convenience, compact, and it's really precise. It looks awesome. Longer strips brush, stripe brush right here. So I am gonna using this either ways because I'm using this under, I believe it under the Luxurious Violets. No, hold on.
Chrome.
Yeah.
Chrome, I think. Okay, so I'm just doing reverse. And really easy to paint it zebra. If it's for beginners, you can just like make sure you soft it looks, and it doesn't have to be a completely perfect. And everybody have a different way to do it, I think. To me, it's my opinions. I think so, but is there no right way and wrong way? Is the animal prints is supposed to be really natural look, I guess. So do not afraid of to do the way you think. And then I usually doing it like back and forth, and I will show you why I'm doing it, and then it can go back and fill in. And the brush is really precise, so it's really easy for you to work with. You can do it like on side to side, or you can do it diagonal. You can do however you feel you like to do it. It's gonna come out nicely. You know, I remember back then, years ago, when we painted it in like animal prints, if anyone's remember, it's so boring. I say it because it's nothing, but it's just like basically not many options for us to create the animal prints. Now it's so much fun, and you can do it with chromes, you can do it with pigment, you can do it with sugaring. So a lot of option for us to do. Let me move this. It looks like there's a lot of going on here, so just don't want the screen to look too busy for you to see. I kind of like the effects of it on the top of the chromes. Give it a little bit on the background, but you can do it with plain. I think it looks really good as well in in the black. I think a black background looks good as well. Alright, so I kind of got the outlines. If you're doing this, it looks so simple, boring. But now I'm gonna fill in all the gaps that I had at first. You can do it one way first and then go back and do the other side. It's like this one I just do from a side to side, but also as I say earlier, you can do it like absolutely on the like have diagonal, and however you feel. You can do so many different ways. This is like one of the simplest way for you to do. Sorry. My hand is just moving too much. I see like a little bit more details and then more zebra look, because when I put the pigment on, it looks good.
Miss Vicky said hello.
Hi Vicky. Here for 15 seconds only because we're gonna do a pigment on this one. Hi Keja. Yes, Foxy, you're right. And like, I'm so happy animal prints always makes a comeback. I know, right? Because they are so cute. But then I remember back almost 20 years ago, our zebras and then cheetah is so boring. Like a little bit touch of white, and then it's a little bit touch of brown, and then that's it. So boring, but it's so pretty all the time. So now I have my, you can have the brush like Vicky and Sarah's using a brush. I love their brush. And I say, Vicky, I don't have a brush. But actually, I do have the brush. But somehow I always have my sponge here. Instead of I don't have a brush on my side, and I just have this one, I'm using 4 colors. So, well, however it works for you, you can get the brush, and or you can get the sponge makeup applicator, I should say.
Chris and as Creative Touch asks, that gel leaves a tacky layer?
Yes, this gel will leave tacky layer because we need the tacky layer for this pigment to grab on the gel. Because if no tacky layer, this pigments will not stick on. So I can do is start from here. Like the other ones, I start from the cuticles area, and then this one I'm gonna start from down here. So it makes a little bit different look. So you have 2 different kinds you can see. I kind of want to make it looks ombre. So you tell me when you're playing it, you can create different looks. You can do it here as the key lamp, and the other ones you can do pink. So you can do a randomly. You don't have to necessarily to do like ombre like this. I just want to show you this, but I shouldn't get them close together. It seems like they're gonna try to contaminating each other right there. This little pigments jar pot is go a long way. Each time you need just a little bit, you don't need a whole lot. So it's grabbed right into our tacky layer of a gel painting. So I'm going to the pink. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do it for you.